Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to lock the crankshaft on a BMW M60, M62 and M62Tu engines. Let's get started. The first thing you need is a set of timing locking tools. I purchased the Chinese set from eBay and I have to tell you there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. It is manufactured very well, and the reason I'm telling you this is I have compared it with the original German set of timing tools and it is identical. So please don't listen to what other people are telling you. Just think that they might be trying to sell you something or send you to someone else who they are promoting. I'm going to tell you what is included in the timing locking tool kit, and then we are going to proceed with what is required in order to lock the crankshaft. In the kit we have crankshaft locking tool. There are two types. The E38 X5 can only take the short one. Then we have the camshaft locking tools for bank 1 and bank 2. Then VANOS impulse sending wheels setting tools. Timing chain guide tensioning tool. The two camshaft chain tensioner locking pins. The VANOS solenoid long socket tool. And the last one is the VANOS 2-pin adjustment tool. In order to lock the crankshaft and be able to insert the locking pin through the hole of the upper sump and lock it with the flywheel, you will need to reach top dead center. This is very easy. Have a spanner, ratchet, breaker bar, whatever you have on hand, place on the crankshaft bolt and turn clockwise. When the two marks align, that means you will have reached top dead center and you can insert the pin safely and lock the crankshaft. So this is how easy it is to lock the crankshaft on M60, M62 and M62Tu engine. I hope you enjoyed this and I'll see you soon.